Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to score. We want to protect the table. So now we have our score line, and we line up the score line with the edge of the table, plant our fist here, wrap our hand around here, and snap the piece off. The second thing is making a picture frame. You have to know how to deburr. So deburr this way. Okay, and that's to round it all off. Alright, or you can see this is the rough side, this is the smooth side. We take the rough side and we can peel it that way. Or if I turn this upside down, put this in the palm of my hand, here's the rough side, and I can go like this. Remember, not this flat part, it's this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side. So there's a total of 8 sides, 8 edges that you're going to round and deburr. Then, this happens to be a cool little torch that uses a cigarette lighter. You're going to use a little bit something a little different. So, I'm going to just start this here. The part that I want to show you is, see how close I am with the flame? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, inch above, inch below. Okay. Fold that over like so. Okay. And then we'll make the little stand here. This side. 2, 3, inch above, inch below. You always bend away from you, never toward you. Okay. Waiting for that to turn off. Your flame should turn off. And now this bends. And this is going to be the little stand for our little picture. You're going to wait for about 5 seconds or so. It cools down and maintains its shape. Yours should be a little bit longer than this, but this gives you an idea for heating and bending. Remember this, where it says socket end up or ball end up. If it says socket end up, this is your socket, the socket end. So it goes into the second half, okay? So that's socket end. Now, to put on your NPT connector, you'll then take the ball end, and ball end will be down. Okay? So you line it up like so. I often will put my thumb and index finger just to try to get it lined up a little bit like that, so that when I squeeze it, it'll snap into place. There we go. So that's how you put your fittings on. And you'll notice that this fits into 1/2-inch CPVC pipe. You can push that right down in there, nice and tight. You can put dual lock on the bottom. You can use this as a particular mount. On the other end, you have to put a double first. So we're going to turn around, socket end up again. So that's in there like that. And now I'm going to put my ball end in and snap it like that. And socket end up, again like that. And we're going to put our ball end down. And snap that in. Alright. So now, put this pushed in on this end. Alright, so that's flat on one end. But notice how what we're doing on this end, we're going to go this way, like that. Because when you're bending it or shaping it or putting a mount, you have lots of different options. It doesn't have to be flat on top.